We all have one. We are all in it together. That drawer that we lovingly call the junk drawer, where everything from, batteries to mystery keys end up. Well, today we're helping you make the most of the space, sharing 10 things to keep in that junk drawer and a few things to get rid of, so it becomes a space that you'll actually be proud to open. Organizer Vanessa Croshaw is joining me to share advice to organize the junk drawer. We just forget about it, because do we have to address this problem?
Yes.
Okay.
The answer is yes, Brooke,
Okay.
because it doesn't have to be the junk drawer.
You like to call it something different.
I don't like the name junk drawer because you're giving yourself permission to put junk in it. And so I have a friend who calls it their drawer of delight.
No.
And I thought, okay, all right.
No.
But I think you could call it your go-to drawer,
Okay.
your drop drawer, whatever.
Oh, I like that.
So I think, and every chapter of life is going to have different stuff. But really, this can be a resource for good. So that as you're running out the door, you've got what you need and you're not worried.
Okay.
So
must-haves.
Let's be intentional about what's in here.
There are some must-haves. I'm not going to call it the drawer of delight. I'll call it the drop drawer.
Got it.
Must-haves for the drop drawer.
Okay, so some things that are obvious for any chapter of life. You've got to have scissors. You're grabbing them every day. Your main junk drawer, it's okay. Drop drawer, excuse me. We should have one main one, and then the other stuff that we don't know what to do with, we'll talk about that another time.
Okay.
So scissors, tape, obviously, if you're packing packages, you gotta have package tape.
Yep.
This one's a fun one. If you have a little name card and some twine, you can turn anything into a quick gift.
Clever,
Wrap it
Vanessa.
up, write their name on it, off you go. Your 2 favorite charge cords, Brooke. Two, not 12, 2.
Just throw the rest out. Why do we keep all those darn cords?
So many, and then you don't even know what they go to.
Yeah.
So tape measure, always need.
Good.
Notebook, note cards for, you can write a little love note in your kids' lunches, or you can write a shopping list, whatever. Okay, ultimate luxury, Brooke, is picking your favorite pen.
Women have opinions about this.
We have a favorite, yeah. Instead of all the hotel ones that came from who know where and they don't work.
Love your dentist, don't love his pen.
Exactly. So pick your favorite pens and then supply it right there. And then of course Sharpie, for whatever reason, we always need Sharpies.
Hair ties and lip gloss.
Yes, hair ties and lip gloss all the way.
That is a drawer of delight. I take it back.
There
That is delightful.
Let's just be intentional with what we put in for our chapter of life.
Welcome to my world.
Right.
What should be removed? A minute left.
Okay, a minute left. Any owner's manuals, we don't need them. There's a good chance you will never touch it, and if you do, find the information online. Online.
Okay.
Hey, any item that's broken, why do we put it in our drawer? Either fix it or toss it. Get done.
Okay.
Done. Staplers. What are these called?
No staplers, paper clips?
Paper clips.
No stapler?
No, unless, we're just not using paper like we used to.
That's true.
So put it in your office or something, so if the kids need it, fine.
Yeah.
Rubber bands. What are we doing with rubber bands?
Mine are pink, they're really cute, but yeah, I don't need them.
No, you don't.
Okay.
So just random things that you don't know what to do with. A hole punch? When was the last time you used a hole punch? Come on.
Point.
So anyway, just be intentional about what is in here, and then get rid of what you don't, and then invest in some good bins. These came from Walmart.
Oh, the clear plastic?
Yeah, the clear plastic, so that every item has a home.
My dear friend Becky organized my drawers when we moved and did that to our junk drawer, and it did make all the difference.
It does.
I mean, how many garages do you have?
I know. I know.
Come on, people. Come on, Brooke. Great advice, great pep talk that we all need. Where can we get more from you, sister?
Every Needful Thing Utah or everyneedfulthing.com.
Help people organize, you educate.
Yes.
We're so grateful for you. We'll give you a link on our website so you can follow and be inspired just like we were today. Nice to have you, Vanessa. Thank you.